Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how you could fix your Wi-Fi not working on your laptop or desktop computer. For the purpose of this video, you can fix it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just make sure to follow this video and follow the available options. At the beginning, when I click on my Wi-Fi, it doesn't show. So I enable it. You can see here that there is the Wi-Fi, but it says no internet at all. In your case, it might be that you don't even see it. So in both cases, the fix is the same. We'll go to search bar and type control panel and click on the control panel to open. If you have a different view than mine, just click on view by category in the top and make sure to select a category, as you might have large or small icons. As a next step, you want to click on network and internet. And here, network and sharing center. And as a next step, as you can see here, view your active networks. It doesn't show anything. In your case, in some cases, it might show something, but you want to click on change adapter settings. You need to locate Wi-Fi, double click on it. The settings will open and click on properties. As a next step, you want to click on TCP v4 to be selected, and TCP or Internet Protocol v6 or version 6, you want to have it also selected. Click OK and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the vEthernet automatically has changed just next to it, and here in the bottom you can see that the signal is back and the Wi-Fi is working. Now we'll try to navigate any website. Let's say I want to check Wikipedia, and it's totally working. In some cases, this fix might not solve the problem for you. In case it didn't solve the problem for you, but you still see this little panel, I will show you how to do it. And if you don't see this panel, I will show you also how you can do it. For the people who can see it, click on Properties, go back to Internet Protocol version 4, double click, make sure to select Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Make sure to select these two and click OK. As a next step, click on Internet Protocol version 6 and make sure that Obtain an IPv6 address automatically is selected and Obtain DNS server automatically is selected. Just make sure to select them and click OK. Click OK, click Close, and restart your computer. At this stage, this should solve the problem for you. For the other people who see that Wi-Fi shows as disabled, you want to right-click and select Enable. It will take some time to be enabled. Double-click, select your internet, click Connect, wait for a few seconds, and the connection should be back. You might also need, in some cases, if it still doesn't work for you, you want to go to the browser and try to open any website. You can try windows.com to see if the website will work with you or if it will open. It shows website cannot be reached. We can try, now it started working. Sometimes you might need to wait 1 or 2 minutes before it starts working. Extra step, if this didn't work for you, you want to go back to the settings. You want to click or double click on the Wi-Fi, click on properties. Make sure again to select Internet v4 and Internet v6 and make sure that the automatic assignment for IP address and DNS has been selected. Click OK. You want to repeat the same thing for IPv6 or Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK. Click OK. Close and just restart your computer. This also should solve the problem. If the first and second solution didn't work for you, then maybe you want to check or do an extra check. You go to your search bar and you type Device Manager. And you want to check if the WLAN or wireless local area network, if it's working or not. And it's usually under one of these items, network adapter. And here, once you click on it, you should be able to see all of these items enabled. There should be nothing with yellow triangle. What you want to do, you want to click, in your case, if you have Intel or any other device, Intel Wi-Fi, you want to click and select Properties, Advanced. You want to see that dual band has been selected, and click on Driver, and you want to see the driver date. In my case, the driver date is in September, the 2nd September 2024, and this is as per the computer maker, this is the latest. If you see very old version, or if you don't see at all these options, or if you see that you have a yellow triangle, what you want to do, you want to connect in another computer and plug a USB flash drive whatsoever, and you want to go to the maker of your computer. In case I have a Lenovo, I'm gonna type Lenovo drivers and hit enter. We will go to Lenovo support driver, support.lenovo.com, click on it, PC. At this stage, enter the PC model. In my case, is E14, and it's this one. I will show you each brand how to do it. Driver and software, manual update, and here we want to look for the Wi-Fi one, network, wireless LAN, local area network. And as you can see, the latest release for the Intel wireless LAN driver was on the 11th November. This is the latest update. So what I can do, I can just download it as usual, as you download any software. Double click on it to install and restart your computer, and this should solve the problem for you for Lenovo. For the people with HP computer, just type HP drivers download and hit enter. You want to click on support.hp.com and make sure that you are on https://support.hp.com. And what you want to do, you want to click laptop, and here you want to enter the model of your computer. For example, HP ProBook, and you select the model of your computer. If you don't know what model of computer you have, just go to the Windows, type the search bar, type DXDiag, click on the DXDiag to open, and there you should be able to see your computer edition or model. So mine is a system model 20RA001 GMC. So I can actually use it. So in your case, you might see HP X1Z. So you just make sure to enter the correct one. As a next step, you want to correct the proper Windows operating system. So for some computers, they might support Windows 10. For some, they might not. So we're gonna just change the HP ProBook. And we can actually enter more recent model just to show you. 360 G7. And we can actually try this one. Operating system, as you can see. So for some computers, you might find the old model, the old Windows operating systems, but for some, they have been issued with Windows 10 or Windows 11, so make sure to select the correct one. If you don't know which Windows you are using, just again, DXDiag and check your operating system. In my case, it's Windows 11 Pro, 64-bit, so Windows 11, Windows 11 Standard, submit, wait a bit, and try to locate network driver. So here you go. Just make sure to download the one related to the WLAN, which is this one, and make sure to download it and install it as usual. No thanks, I will download and install manually at this stage. The download has been completed. So you just double click on this little software or this little tool, and this little tool should update for you the drivers of the Wi-Fi or the network device in your computer. And all what you need to do is again to restart, and it should be working for you. As a next step, people with Acer computer, you can type download Acer drivers and hit enter. As a next step, you want to click on download Acer support drivers and manuals, www.acer.com, and hit on it or click on it. As a next step, you want to click on drivers and manuals on the left. And here you need to enter your computer's model. So for example, I'm going to choose one, and it's going to be A315-16. we can actually choose this one just as an example. You can follow this method for your Acer and click to select the operating system. In some cases, some computers have been issued with the latest operating system, Windows 11, but for some cases you might find Windows 10, Windows XP, so make sure to select the correct one. Scroll down and look for network. If you don't see network, just click load more and LAN driver, local area network. You want to download this one, and you want also to download the latest one of the wireless LAN. So make sure to check the date or the version here. So 3333, in this case, the latest one is 340.14.10.46. This is the latest one. So you can download this one and install it as usual. Again, just click on it. And in this case, it comes under 7-zip folder. So you want just to unzip it, right click on it and open with. And you can select either WinRAR or you can just use 7-zip to unzip it and install it. For the people with a Dell computer, type Dell download drivers and hit enter. Click on drivers and download under www.dell.com. Enter the Dell model. So for me, it's E16 WFP and hit enter. You will need to wait a few seconds until it's completely loaded to be able to see the available options. And at this stage we did a mistake. We selected a driver for a monitor, and here we can actually type Vostro 3530. And here we have Vostro 15, so we can choose this computer. You can choose the exact model of your computer or the special edition, and we will wait. Make sure that you are in drivers and downloads. Find specific drivers and select drivers. And here we want to look for network, Ethernet, and wireless. Click on it, and you want to download both of them and install both of them. And I believe that actually there is a release date just next to it, so we can actually choose just the first one, 12 December. Click download. As you can see here, it says that the older version is just below it. So we are going to click on the driver as usual, double click on it. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the application to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes, and then the installation process should start. Once you completed the installation of the driver, just restart your computer and your Wi-Fi should resume working. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.